Too many organizations still have disconnected IoT systems, with islands of automation leading to stalled pilots and data that doesn't scale. But advanced AI-powered IoT platforms create a scalable foundation for enterprise-wide operations, and CDW experts can help you make that foundation a reality. CDW helps you conquer complexity with platforms that scale across your organization, capturing key data at the edge and giving you real-time insight for real-time decision-making. Want better visibility into manufacturing uptime? Or faster connections between smart city systems? CDW deploys IoT platforms that make strategy scalable, solve integration complexity, and put the AI in productivity gains. Amazing happens when your IoT platform connects people, process, and technology.